Why does your scanner show the P0703 engine code? What does it mean? P0703 is a diagnostic trouble code for brake switch B circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an issue with the brake switch, which is responsible for signaling the PCM when the brake pedal is depressed and also controls the brake lights. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty or misadjusted brake light switch. Wiring and connector issues. Blown fuse or fusible link. PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Mazda, Mercedes, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.